Going to have a quick look at the Ctec XFP repeater panel for the one loop addressable system. So just sort of a short unboxing, show you what comes in your system here. So pretty typical of Ctec's packaging. So you have your panel, your installation manual, which is fairly thin for the repeater panel here. Your Allen key for opening it up, and your red key for getting in at the turning on the controls. So like the CFP panel, if you don't have the key, you can actually override the key switch using a code here, and the details of that are in the manual if that's the route you decide to go with this. Yeah, so we'll just have a very quick look. This is the repeater. So there's not going to be a whole pile to see inside this here, but just give a quick look inside. So you need the XFP panel. You need to order separate the network card for connecting the repeater panels together, but the repeater panel itself is actually pre-fitted. You'll see now when I get it opened up. So in at the back here you have, this is the network card. It actually fits in a similar place in the one loop panel, which you can see in a separate video. Obviously the LCD display, it just mirrors exactly what's on the other panel. There's a certain amount of programming. If you have a selection of repeater panels around the place, you can kind of route what you want to go. Battery leads, cable tie, couple of spare fuses, the usual stuff. Your power supply is tucked in at the back here. If you ever do need to get in it, there's a couple of screws you undo here, and then this lifts off, and you can kind of easier get in at your, there's a set of dip switches down here for numbering your cards, and then your buttons for turning on and off your controls if you need it. So nice, neat unit. Pretty much the exact same form factor as the one loop panel, so staff in the building will be kind of familiar with dealing with it anyway. Unusual, nice touch here. Complete operating instructions printed on the front of the panel. Okay, thanks.